We have a very experienced drone pilot here.
Hello and welcome to Prestige Worldwide. In today's video, we will review the Ruko F11 GIM-2 drone and do a test flight around downtown Roanoke, Virginia.
All right, so this is the Ruko R-U-K-O F11 G1M2. This is my fourth Ruko. Better than DJI, better than Hollystone. For the budget drone, this was $350 and it's pretty badass.
How much was the warranty?
It's $40 for warranty.
And it's worth every penny.
Yeah, if you wreck it, if you lose it, car runs over it.
Which is very likely to happen eventually.
The insurance is the same exact way. They're gonna deny you the first time and make up some stupid bullshit. So keep pressing, you'll get a refund. Because my last drone, I wrecked it, and I said I wrecked my drone. They're like, oh, you can't get a refund because you improperly used your drone. So just keep pushing forward.
Yeah, because if you properly use it, you won't wreck it. So, Shane, what happened to our last drone? Or your last drone?
While I was flying the other drone, I did take off, and it took off, and it fucking went that way, and that's it. End of story.
This was last year. He took off from like here and didn't get the satellites pinged, and he tried to override it, and the thing literally like took off and flew down that way and ended up on the roof of, luckily it didn't hit anybody, but it landed on one of these roofs of a bank, I think, over that way. Ruko. Not to be confused with the Roku, which is, I have Prime TV, so I don't use Roku, but this one's Ruko. And he's getting the app set up.
All right, I'm taking it off baby mode.
Okay, it's off of training mode.
Beginner mode's off.
Beginner mode.
Let's go on lift off.
Rock and roll. Okay, here we go.
Wham! Right into the fucking wall.
Yeah, right.
Okay,
well, there. Yeah,
going down to the market.
Your altitude's pretty good. All right, so there's like the farmers market down there.
Oh God. Let's see where I'm at.
Fly over something. Fly over that building. Fly over the building. Okay. I mean, like, until you like keep line of sight on it, you know. There you go. Yeah. Do something, because we'll need the footage and like sort of. That's a cool roof. Like, go up this road over here. Go by. Like,
here we go.
Yeah.
Dude, I'll go to the fucking Wells Fargo thing. Okay. Check it. The last fucking Roku I had, I flew to the top of the Washington Monument down
really?
DC.
Wow. I'll bet that's like hella, like, not allowed with Secret Service. But that was probably years ago, I'm guessing.
It was scary as shit. I thought like...
Yeah, nowadays, like...
I thought Secret Service dudes are going to come out and just fucking beat the shit out of me.
Yeah, they would have put you in, like, freaking Guantanamo Bay.
I have the video.
Oh shit! Can you send it to me? I want to edit in that
Look,
video.
I'm going over the Wells Fargo building.
Sweet. Yeah, you're up there. We're straight up there.
That's beautiful.
It's awesome.
Look how fucking beautiful that is.
Hell yeah! There's gonna be some good footage.
All right, this is good. Art museum.
So I'll work in like the model number and stuff, so when people are like buying this thing.
So there's a Wells Fargo building. Check this out.
Yeah.
It's you can pan. I'm right at the ceiling. Oh my God! Okay, I'm coming back.
You are?
No, I'm like.
See. Yeah, you're way up there. You're about as high as that damn building.
I'm higher than the pole right now. All right, I'm coming back down.
All right. I will alert you if there's any pedestrians.
Look how beautiful that shit looks.
So this is the Ruko. What's the model number?
F11 GM2.
F11 GM2.
$300 on Amazon.
$300 plus warranty.
This is my fourth one, so this is the newer generation.
We have a very experienced drone pilot here.
So we're right on. We're good.
Uh-huh.
This camera angle, how it adjusts, is dope. All right, so we're in a good spot. Nothing's there. And keep going.
I hear it kind of in the background.
Okay, there's the fucking market. Ah.
Will it let you go lower?
Look, you can zoom in on people. Look, watch this. This little person right here.
Yeah. Can it like?
You can zoom in. Watch.
Can it lower? Can you drop down?
Yeah. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna fuck with this person.
Don't. I mean, okay. Just be careful. Don't run into him.
Don't do it. Oh, okay. Actually, that sounds cool.
Just don't. Yeah. Just don't hit him with the drone. See, I see the drone over there. Drone's over there. Okay. Yeah, we can see it now. Okay. Look, you're descending, descending, descending. Okay, it's over there. Yeah, you're still like pretty clear of everything from what I can tell.
Okay. All right, so I'm gonna go.
What if line of sight? You want to make sure. I would ascend. I would ascend. I shouldn't even.
I'm out of here.
Oh, there you go. There you go. It's up. It's back up.
Yeah, I'm out of here. This is,
yeah, I'm a bad influence. I'm a bad influence.
There's too many buildings.
Yeah.
So I got some. So here's the deal.
Yeah.
This one is a better model than the DJI, but this is just a fucking cursed, poor signal spot. Yeah. I'm getting the fuck out of here. Oh my god, it just almost fucking wrecked and broke. I'm never coming up here to this building, never. Don't fire shit down in the downtown area. Fuck this. Let's go.
Okay.
You see that? One more little angle, it would have just broke the whole fucking
I know, because it would get caught and then it would pivot or something.
So if I'm on the ground.
All right, relocating to ground level.
So this is.
We'll do a cutaway. Bam. That's how the cool kids are doing it. Bam. Right?
To the ground.
Okay. Bam.
All right, well, thanks for watching Prestige Worldwide. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.